In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your computer's serial number. Knowing your serial number is really important, especially when you need technical support, want to check your warranty, or are registering your device. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to find it using tools built right into your operating system, so you don't have to flip your computer over or search the packaging. Let's start by making sure your computer is on and you're logged into your user account. You'll want to close any work you don't want to lose, just in case. But we won't be restarting or changing any settings, so everything you do is completely safe. On Windows, the quickest way to find your serial number is by using a built-in tool called Command Prompt. To open it, move your mouse to the Start menu and click the search bar. Type CMD, and you should see Command Prompt appear in the results. Go ahead and open it. You'll see a black window with white text. That's exactly what we want. Inside this window, you're going to type a short command. Carefully type WMIC BIOS get serial number, then press Enter on your keyboard. After a moment, you should see the word serial number on one line, and directly underneath it, your actual serial number. It might be a mix of letters and numbers and can be quite long, so take your time to read it. At this point, it's a good idea to copy or write this number down somewhere safe. You can click and drag your mouse over the serial number to highlight it. Then right-click inside the command prompt window to copy it. You can then paste it into a text document, an email to support, or wherever you need it. If copying doesn't work smoothly, simply jot it down carefully, double-checking each character. If nothing appears after you run the command, or if you see something like "to be filled by OEM," it means your device manufacturer hasn't stored the serial number in the system. In that case, you may need to look for a sticker on the bottom of your laptop, inside the battery compartment, or on the back or side of a desktop tower. The number is usually labeled as Serial, SN, or SN. Once you've recorded your serial number, you can close the command prompt window like any other program. That's all there is to it. You now know a reliable way to find your computer's serial number whenever you need it.